Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ruffles in Blender. First, let's get our workspace ready. Start by adding a basic plane to your scene. This will be the foundation for our ruffle. Next, subdivide it about 5 or 6 times to create enough geometry for smooth deformation. It's crucial to apply the object's scale by pressing Ctrl and selecting Scale to prevent issues later. Finally, add a solidify modifier, setting the thickness to a small value like 0.01 meters to give your fabric some realistic depth. Now, let's introduce some dynamic movement. Apply a cloth modifier to your plane. In the physics properties, you'll want to tweak settings like stiffness and damping to control how your fabric behaves. For instance, a bending value around 0.5 can give a nice, soft drape. Next, add a simple collision object, like a cylinder or sphere, for the cloth to fall onto or interact with. Play the animation to see your fabric naturally form initial ruffle patterns around the collision object. Once you have a good base shape from the simulation, it's time to add artistic detail. First, apply both the cloth and solidify modifiers in the modifier stack. This converts the dynamic simulation into a static mesh. Then, switch to sculpt mode. The grab brush is excellent for gently pulling and pushing the fabric to create larger, flowing folds. For sharper, more defined creases and edges, use the crease brush. Remember to use a low strength and a small brush size for subtle, realistic adjustments. To give your ruffles a polished look, let's work on the final presentation. Add a subdivision surface modifier, setting it to 2 or 3 levels to smooth out any remaining jagged edges. Next, create a new material for your ruffle. Choose a base color that suits your design, perhaps a soft pastel or a rich jewel tone. Adjust the roughness value to around 0.7 for a matte fabric feel. For extra realism, you could even add a subtle normal map to simulate fine fabric weave, making your ruffles truly stand out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.